Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble pop. We'll dive right into a super easy method that guarantees satisfying results. You'll learn the few simple steps needed to become a bubble popping pro in no time. This technique is perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or just looking for a more consistent way to enjoy this fun activity. Get ready to pop some bubbles with confidence and ease. Before we begin popping, let's quickly gather our very simple tools. The most important thing is to make sure your hands are completely clean and dry. Any oils or residue can actually prevent the bubble from popping cleanly. You'll primarily use just one finger, like your index finger, or a small, dry item such as a toothpick. That's truly all you need to get started on this fun adventure. Now for the exciting part, the actual popping. The key here is a gentle, deliberate touch. Slowly bring your clean, dry finger or chosen object towards the bubble. Aim for the very center or any part of its surface. As soon as your finger makes contact, the bubble's delicate film will break. Remember, you only need the lightest touch. No force is required for a perfect pop. To consistently achieve that satisfying pop, remember a few final tips. Practice is truly your best friend. Try varying your approach speed slightly. Always ensure your finger or object stays completely dry between pops for the best outcome. This easy method is designed for maximum fun with minimal effort. So go ahead, enjoy the simple pleasure of making those beautiful, iridescent bubbles disappear with a gentle touch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.